In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a video from an article or a blog step by step. So if you are struggling with how to create a video from an article or a blog, this video walks you through exactly what you need to do so you can create wonderful videos. So let's get started. So let me jump into the homepage of Pictory and show you what they have to offer. So once you come on the home page of Pictory, there are 4 options. One is article to video, script to video, visuals to video, and edit videos with voice using text. So as of now, I'm going to select the second option, that is script to video. I'll just click on the start button. So this is the script editor. So what I have done, I have already created a script. So I'll just copy paste it here. So here, as you can see, there are 3 options. One is the 16:9. This is the landscape format. 9:16 and 1:1. I'll select this one. So now this will take a while. So we have to just wait for a few minutes. So this is the main editor. As you can see on the left hand side, so this is the storyboard. So this creates small scenes according to the text. So this is visuals, where you can select videos and images for your video, and this is the audio section, and this is styles for the themes and scene transition, and here you can select the format. So what I'll do is I'll just select the story, and accordingly I'll make the video here. So this is the scene 1. So if I want to change the scene here, I'll just go to the visuals and I'll just enter here coconut oil, and accordingly it will give me some results. Okay, so you can change the following scenes according to the keywords. So if I want to search for again coconut oil, if I want a different video or image, I can just select it from the visuals tab there. So if you want to hide a particular text in the scene, you just have to click on the settings here, and you just have to click on hide text. So if you want to reformat this text, you can just change the size also from here, and you can also change the color of the text color, background color, highlight color. You can change it from here. You can also change the font type from here. Okay, so once scene section is completed, you have to go to the audio here, and I'll go to the voiceover. So there are multiple options in US English, UK English, Australian English, Indian English. You can select any of them.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
You can also change the themes. There are multiple themes option, as you can see. Once you hover over the themes, you can see the transition effects and what type of theme it is. So I'll select this one. This is the default theme, and you can also change the scene transitions between each scenes. So whether you want this circle in to out or fade, blur right bar effect, so I've kept it none. So once everything is done, I'll just click on preview.
The following home remedies can help cleanse the skin and are an alternative to commercial soaps or face washes. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural makeup remover and cleanser, which can be used every day. It contains lauric acid and has moisturizing properties. Coconut oil may be applied using a cotton ball to remove makeup, dirt, and excess oil. The oil may be rinsed off with lukewarm water, followed by other homemade cleansers or over-the-counter face washes. Oatmeal facial cleanser.
So there you have it. In just a few steps, you can create wonderful videos from an article or a blog. So if you don't already have Pictory, there's a link in the description to their website. Click on the link and start creating wonderful videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.